bigyan lang natin ng definitions yung mga bagay-bagay para at least mayroon namang sense kung saan siya nanggagaling. So, an insight gap, no, na napansin namin. It's the gap between what the audience signals and the content we create. So, ano yung common signs nun? We chase trends without context. We post without knowing what resonates. Like, we guess what might work. And we have difficulty turning analytics into ideas. Pero kung titingnan natin, no, like, instead of asking what content should we post, we should ask what signal is the audience giving us. What does resonates actually really mean, no? So resonance is when content connects with something in the audience. And it's usually one of these things: identity, utility, and emotion. People engage with content that reflects who they are or want to be. Ano ba siya, true or false? True, di ba? We see these types of content online and like, ako yan eh. Bakit tayo nakaka-relate? Kasi we feel seen eh. Kasi nai-experience din natin yun eh. It's tied to our identity. There's someone out there who also feels the same way. And ano yung mararamdaman pag ano? You feel a connection, right? Somehow. And then there's utility, no? Like content that helps people solve problem or learn something. Kapag meron tayong nakuhang pwedeng tip, trick, an insight, di ba, sinesave natin. Kasi alam natin, shit, magagamit ko to eh. So you find it valuable. And then lastly is yung emotion. We engage with the content that triggers a reaction in us.
Ole!
Boy, kaya yun? Curious ako. Pero diba, like, pag napapanood tayong ganyan, napapaganon ka talaga eh. Hindi nag-i-engage tayo dun. Gustong-gusto natin. Labas tayo ng mga phones natin, guys. May Instagram naman lahat. Okay, nice. Okay, Instagram tayo. Just a simple exercise on like, how can we identify what resonates with people? Sige, for the first part, sige, scroll tayo, guys. Scroll kayo. Ang goal is find something na magiging curious kayo. And then stop. Okay na lahat? Meron na content, lahat na napili? Okay, game. So, yung content ba na yan is like, ilalike nyo? Kasi if we're going to like, sorry guys ha. Sasabihin ko kapag titingin kayo dito kasi baka mag-doom scroll na kayo dyan eh. Tignan natin yung levels into this, no? Like, ano yung level of engagement na binibigay sa atin ng tao? Kasi dito pa lang, may signal na eh. Once na tinignan natin yung content, pinanood natin siya, magde-decide tayo eh. Am I curious enough to like watch this until the end? Most of the time, kapag hindi siya sa'yo, scroll up, right? But yun nga, kapag tinignan mo, does it really mean na nakakonect ka? Until pag nilike mo na, bakit mo siya ilalike? Kasi you find it that content pleasant or relatable. But likes are low-effort engagement pa din. They don't always indicate deep value. So ano yung next level? Ano tingin nyo yung next level? Saves. Like, bakit natin sinesave? Like, punta tayo dun sa nyo. Like, punta kayo dun sa saves folder nyo. Ano yung reason bakit nyo sinave yung content na yun? Give me one reason. Okay, exactly. Right? Okay, nice. Para magaling na creator ka, you have to turn your mind like from being a passive scroller to being an observant eh. Mag-observe ka talaga eh. Titignan mo kung bakit nag-work to eh. Titignan mo bakit ang dami nanonood nito, bakit ang dami nag-engage dito kaya sa post na to. If you try to like flip the switch dun sa na yun, ang dami mo makikitang ways on how you like use this. So kapag sinave mo na daw, this is strong signal na. Kasi tama yun. I want to come back to this later. Something siya na you find it really valuable na. And then what's the next step? Which is, pag shinare mo na, meaning naka-align, naka-relate ka talaga. People only share content if it represents something they want to say publicly, pero hindi nila masabi. Exactly. Like, nakaka-relate ba tayo? At some point, nag-share tayo nung content na yun eh. Ano yung last na pinaka-strongest signal? That's correct. Comments, di ba? Kasi what does that signify? It signifies emotional reaction. Ibig sabihin, worthy ka para pagbigyan ko ng oras at mag-iisip ako, magko-comment ako dito kahit hate comment to, okay lang. Kasi ganun ako na-trigger. Ano yung minsan nakikita natin dyan, di ba? Nagde-debate yung mga tao. Share sila na sarili nilang stories. And then yun, pwedeng na-surprise sila. Di ba? Katulad nung tinamaan nung bull kanina. So, kung titingnan natin to, no, like, this is how we can like tell like if our content isn't performing or it is performing, di ba? If low views, baka hindi siya something na nakaka-interest sa mga tao. If konti nagla-like, pwedeng, okay, hindi pala ako nakaka-relate dito. Di sila nakaka-relate sa sinasabi ko. So, pwede natin i-reverse engineer itong mga bagay na to. If gagawa tayo susunod na content, what would make people save this content? Kasi bakit nga ba sila magbibigay ng attention nila? Resonance is not random. It leaves signal. And good creators learn how to read those signals and translate them into ideas. Gets ba tayo dito sa insight?